today. We celebrate the day you came into our lives.
Me and Mommy loves you very much. So we promise to always be there at your side to support you in everything that you put your heart into. We will always be here every time you call for us or kahit hindi. Dahil we as parents will give our all to give everything that we can to give you the life you deserve.
Masaya ako sa aking unang-unang apo. Happy birthday to my first apo, my beautiful first apo. I hope someday makikita kita na maging katulad ng mami mo at ng daddy mo, successful. And be a good girl. And sana lahat ng mga hobbies namin ay matutunan mo. Tulad ng gusto ng mami mo magbalay ka, kami naman gusto namin maging sharpshooter ka bumaril para self-defense. My wish for you is always be like your mom, marunong magmahal at marunong gumalang sa mga nakakatanda. At hindi lang sa nakakatanda, pati sa mga kaedad mo para at the same time, ikaw din ay gagalangin nila.
Super duper happy to have Anya. And I love her personality. She's so sweet, charming, and at the same time, I think she's going to be a fighter. I love you!
Happy birthday, Anya, Claire. Wish ko maging mabait, siyempre. Always pray, family, and love you.
Happy birthday, Anya Claire. Lola's here, always taking care of you and love you so much. Hope you become a good girl like your mom and also your dad. God-fearing and always love your parents. Happy birthday and I love you so much, Anya. Love, love, love.
Kami yung parents ni Anya, we love watching anime and we love musicals. Isang time nanonood kami ng anime, specifically Spy Family. Meron doon super cute, smart, cute girl, cute character. Name niya Anya. So nung rin-search namin, ang ganda ng mga meaning, parang favored by God. Sa ibang language, bright child. Sa ibang language, melody siya.
Happy birthday, Anya! Happy birthday, Anya! Happy birthday, Anya! We love you!
Hello, Anya. Happy birthday.
Hi, Anya Claire, our first apo. Ang wish ko lang, maging katulad ka ng mami, mabait, nasunurin, at tinupad niya lahat ang mga wishes naming lahat na maging mabait na tao, natapos ang school, naging successful sa career, nakapag-asawa siya ng tama, katulad ni Daddy RC. Gusto kong malaman mo na love ka naming lahat at we wish you all the best. Hopefully, abutin namin lahat nila Lola. With all the love, you return it to us with more love. Kasi love ka namin. Ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Anya. So, it's your first birthday. Pag napanood mo to, paglaki mo, ito yung first birthday mo. Dito, makikita mo na kaagad kung gaano ka kalove ng parents mo. So, you should love them back. Nandito lang ako, tulungan kita. Kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako. Baka kung napapanood mo ito ngayon, kasama mo pa ako.
Hello! Happy birthday, Anya! Anya Claire, my darling. I hope paglaki mo, kasing bait ka ng nanay mo at kasing talino rin niya. Lahat ng pangarap sa nanay mo, hindi na pangarap ko sa iyo. Maging mabait na bata at kapagmahal sa magulang. Kaya happy birthday. I wish you all the luck and I love you so much.
So we want you to always be happy. When you grow up, work hard for everything that you strive for. Be dedicated, passionate, explore music, sports, and everything that you feel that you want to do. We'll always be there to support you and love you with all our heart. Again.
We love you and we are honored to be called as your parents.
Yes. No pressure, no pressure. Nasa loob ka pa doon, nakipaglaro sa mga friends mo, mga ka-age mo rin, mga titos, titas, grandparents. So, always be happy, always smile. We're rooting for you. So, Anya, happy birthday! We love you so much!